Hi students, how are you? Most probably everyone are busy with your studies. So let's start out with few important questions of chapter number 4, Quadratic Equation. So these are few problem sums which are very important for your boards. So there is a simple trick with which you can easily solve this type of questions. Every question is of same category. So let's learn with a simple process. So here it is given, if a cyclist travels at a speed of 2 km per hour more than its usual speed, he reaches the destination 2 hours earlier. If the destination is 35 km, what is his usual speed? Here usual speed is question mark. So we'll start the question. Let usual speed of cyclist be x km per hour. So here new speed, it's given in question, its speed is 2 km more. So new speed will be x plus 2 km per hour. So here we are using the simple formula t1, that is time 1, distance upon speed 1, time 2 is distance upon speed 2. Whatever the condition is greater, we will subtract them. And it is given that he reaches the destination 2 hours earlier. So you need to remember three topics here. What is the distance, how much speed increased, and what is time difference. So here what is T1? T1 is distance 35 km, speed 1 is x. And T2 is distance is 35 km, speed 2 is x plus 2. It's obvious that when someone moves with more speed, he take less time. So here when we see the time difference, here T1 is greater than T2. So as per condition, according to question, T1 minus T2 will be 2. He reaches the destination 2 hours earlier. So 2 time we will keep here. Now what is T1? T1 is 35 upon x minus 35 upon x plus 2 is equal to 2. This you need to remember. We are taking 35 common from both the terms. So it is 1 upon x minus 1 upon x plus 2 is equal to 2. Now here 35 taking common, getting LCM, write down both the terms. Now having cross multiplication, this we are multiplying this side. So it's x plus 2 and x we are multiplying with minus 1. Thus it is minus x is equal to 2. Plus and minus x got cancelled. Now multiply these two terms. 35 multiplied by 2 upon x square plus 2x is equal to 2. Both the 2 will get cancelled. Now we got our equation x square plus 2x is equal to 35. Now shifting 35 this side, x square plus 2x minus 35 is equal to 0. All of you are familiar with middle term factorization. 7 5s are 35. Big number to be given the sign of question and smaller number opposite sign. In one of my video, I explained how to solve middle term factorization. For this exercise, once you go through with that video, that will be helpful to you to solve the equations quickly. So here, when by subtraction, if we are getting the middle term, we'll keep both the numbers and bigger number given the sign of question. Here plus is there, so plus and smaller number opposite sign. X taken common, so thus it is x plus 7. Whatever the number is there, that we will keep out of the bracket. Minus 5, repeat the same bracket, x plus 7. X plus 7, x minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is minus 7 and x is 5. We got the speed. Speed cannot be negative. So, you need to write the statement. Speed cannot be negative. So, the usual speed of the cyclist is 35 km per hour. So, 5 km per hour. This is our final answer. Hope everyone understood. Now, let's start with the second question. Here it is given, car takes 1 hour less to cover the distance of 200 km. So here distance is 200, speed is increased by 10 km, and then his usual speed, and he takes 1 hour less. So these three things are important for us. So here usual speed x km per hour and new speed x plus 10 km per hour. Now T1, distance 1, time 1 is distance, that is 200 upon speed 1. T2 is distance upon speed 2. Now T1 is greater as he is moving slower. So he will take more time for the case of T1. T1 is greater than T2. Thus according to question, if we subtract T1 minus T2, we get the time difference. And time difference is 1 hour less. Here it will be given in the question 1 hour less or 1 hour more, 2 hour less. So that we have to take after equal. So this is a simple logic which you need to remember. Now T1 is 200 upon x minus 200 upon x plus 10 is equal to 1. 200 taken common. 1 upon x minus 1 upon x plus 10 is equal to 0. Is equal to 1. Now getting LCM, x plus 10 and this x is this side minus x. Multiply both the terms. X square plus 10x multiply by 200 is equal to 1. X got cancelled. So we got our equation x square plus 10x is equal to 2000. 200 multiplied by 10 is 2000. Now shifting 2000 this side. X square plus 10x minus 2000 is equal to 0. Now the factors of 2000 are 50 and 40. 50 40 is a 2000 and next 50 minus 40 is 10. By subtraction we are getting 10. So bigger number is given the sign of question, smaller number opposite sign. Now replace them. X square plus 50x minus 40x minus 200 is equal to 0. X is common. So it is x plus 50. Put out minus 40. Again it is x plus 50 is equal to 0. X plus 50, x minus 40 is equal to 0. Therefore x is minus 50 or x is 40. Speed cannot be negative. So the speed is 40 km per hour. Therefore usual speed of car 40 km per hour. Now let's start with next question. Here there is a decrease in 5 km per hour. So here before that we were having increase. Now it is given there is decrease of speed of 5 km per hour. Then the useful uniform speed of goods train and it takes 4 hours more. So here the time is given 4 hours and distance is given 400 km. So we need these 3 points only. This is here T1 which is 400 distance upon usual speed x and T2 400 upon increased, there is a decrease in speed. So it is x minus 5. Speed got decreased. So I subtracted x minus 5. Now when the speed is less, we take more time. Okay. So here whenever we subtract the speed, you need to take that one first. T2 is greater than T1. Therefore T2 minus T1 is equal to time. That is 4 hours. Now replace them. T2 is 400 upon x minus 5. 400 upon x is equal to 4. Taking 400 common. 1 upon x minus 5 minus 1 upon x is 4. Cancel out. Thus it is 100 multiplying x here. Then this minus with x minus 5 minus x minus minus plus 5 upon x multiplied by x is x square. X with 5 is minus 5x. Now here we left with 100. X got cancelled. Thus x square minus 5x is equal to 100 multiplied by 5 is 500. Now we need to find factors of 500. Thus the factors of 500 are 25 and 20. So as by subtraction we are getting 5. So bigger number is given, sign of question which is minus, smaller number opposite sign. Thus it is minus 25x plus 20x. Shifted this 500 this side. So it's minus 500 is equal to 0. Now x is common here. X minus 25. Now plus 20 with the sign we will take the number and we'll repeat the same bracket. X minus 25 is equal to 0. X minus 25, x plus 20. Therefore x is 25, x is minus 20. Always will take the positive speed. Therefore speed of goods train 25 km per hour. So most probably all of you understood. 3 more questions are there of distance based. So that I will upload in my next video. So all of you those who are watching, please like, share and subscribe my video.